Hey guys, what's up? In this video, I'll show you how you can paste as it is on Evernote. It's a very simple and easy process, so make sure you follow me till the end to get a good idea on how you can do this. So as you can see here, I have this note over here and it is written in a particular style. Now I have this text copied already in my clipboard, and when I paste it or click Ctrl+V, you will see that the style has not matched. This is a different font and a different size. Now if you want to paste as it is, you can right click on your screen and click on this button where it says paste and match style, and once you do that, you will see that the style has been maintained. So yeah, that's pretty much it on how you can paste as it is on Evernote. Just right click and click on this button where it says paste and match style. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you did, make sure you subscribe to the channel, like the video, and also comment down below on what next videos we should make. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this one. Thank you for watching. Bye.